Welcome to Davi Toons Club.
Today, we're drawing an Ankylosaurus in a charming retro cartoon style. Friendly, bouncy, and full of personality. Grab your pencils, markers, or whatever you're using, get comfy, and let's have fun bringing this awesome dinosaur to life. Let's begin with the eyes, giving them that big, expressive retro look. Round, bright, and full of character. Now draw the nostrils, placing them gently near the front of the snout. Simple but clear. Next, sketch the snout and beak-like mouth, smooth and rounded to show the Ankylosaurus's herbivorous nature. Draw the happy mouth, wide and cheerful, giving your dino that friendly cartoon smile. If any part feels tricky or moves too fast, don't worry. Pause the video anytime and take it step by step. Let's shape the head, adding the little horns and osteoderms, those bony plate-like bumps that form the dinosaur's natural armor. Ankylosaurus means fused lizard because its bones were tightly connected to make a strong armor shell. This dinosaur lived about 68 to 66 million years ago during the Late Cretaceous period. Ankylosaurus was an herbivore, meaning it ate plants, tough vegetation like low bushes and ferns. Now draw the neck, short but strong, connecting the head to the body comfortably. Let's build the rounded body, wide and sturdy, showing how tough and well protected this dinosaur is. Now draw the armor plates and spikes covering the back. These are called osteoderms, and they acted like a built-in shield to protect the dinosaur. The thick club on its tail wasn't just decoration. Ankylosaurus could swing it as a powerful defensive weapon. Ankylosaurus had a low, wide body, great for stability and defense. Its teeth were small and leaf-shaped, perfect for grinding plant material. Despite its heavy armor, Ankylosaurus could walk on two pairs of strong, sturdy legs. Sketch the legs and claws, thick and solid, each ending in friendly, slightly rounded cartoon nails. Ankylosaurus fossils have mostly been found in western North America. Many paleontologists think this dinosaur could make booming noises to communicate, like a low rumble. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our playlist of other dinosaur tutorials. Just click the card in the upper corner. And tell me, which dinosaur should we draw next? I'd love to hear your ideas. Let's add the tail with its robust club at the end. This was a powerful weapon the real Ankylosaurus used for defense. I decided to draw it in a heart shape so that our Ankylosaurus would look even friendlier. Add the belly and sensitive under area, soft curves that make the Ankylosaurus feel cuddly and approachable. Next, add the circular spots and markings across the body to give extra texture and fun personality. And here are some tips when you're coloring. Use warm browns, tans, and golden tones for the body and armor, but feel free to get creative. You can color your Ankylosaurus however you like. And here's our Ankylosaurus, tough, retro, and full of cartoon charm. I hope this video has inspired you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.